Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with a Pohela Boishakh makeup tutorial. For that I have created this reddish like burnt gold and copper eye look and paired it with a similar matching lipstick. Now before starting, if you do not know what Pohela Boishakh is the first day of Bengali New Year, and it is celebrated in Bangladesh and in northeast part of India. Now, I do not know if there will be a celebration this year or not because of this current situation, but I just wanted to stay positive. I just wanted to hope that everything will be better soon, and I just wanted my channel to be a place of escape for all of us. So that's why I'm just making this video, and we can always celebrate with our family, right? I know it's a pretty long intro, so yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm taking this Wet n Wild eyebrow pomade in the shade Expresso, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using smaller strokes. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe. This is from their Morphe and Jeffree Star collection. Now with the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows so that the product is well saturated. Now I'm taking this Revolution Pro Eye Elements eyeshadow primer in the shade Core, and I'm just priming my eyelids. I am loving this product lately. It gives pretty great coverage, and also my eyeshadow becomes long lasting with it. Now I'm taking Maybelline from my Colourpop whatever eyeshadow palette, and I'm just applying it all over on my eyelids using a flat shader brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm just applying the color up to my crease. I'm not bringing it above my crease because that way it will be really hard to blend. It's a beautiful orangish red shade. Now I'm taking Pass It On, which is a brown shade, a warm brown shade, and I'm just blending out the edges to achieve a smooth gradient effect. Now I'm taking Not Okay with my finger, and I'm just applying it on the inner part of my eyelid, and it's a beautiful copper shade with a hint of gold in it. The shade is really creamy, really buttery, and really beautiful. Now I'm taking Bad Guy, sorry. It's a beautiful burgundy red shade, and I'm just applying it on my outer V area as well as slightly on my crease, just to bring back some depth and definition and some warmth. This is such a pretty palette, you guys. You need this in your life, and the formula is outstanding. I am super duper impressed with the formula. And I'm just drawing a wing using my Wet n Wild MegaLiner in the shade Jet Black. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base, then I will return to my eye makeup again. For that, I'm taking this Revlon PhotoReady primer, and I'm just applying it all over on my face as well as on my neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. I'm taking this Revolution Conceal and Hydrate foundation in F10 I believe, and I'm just applying it all over on my face and neck, and then blending it out using a damp beauty sponge from L'Oreal. The undertone of this foundation is a bit too pink for me. Previously I got the shade 9.5, which was a bit yellow for me, and now this one is a little too pink for me. So yeah, and I'm taking this NYX Born to Glow concealer. Oh my god, this Born to Glow concealer, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, sides of my mouth, and just under where I'm going to place my contour next. And I'm just blending it out using the same damp beauty sponge, and I think this is in the shade Natural. I will mention it in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. The formula of this concealer is really nice. It blends beautifully, it does not crease, and it gives pretty great coverage. But I do not like the packaging. The sponge tip applicator is like so messy, so I don't like the applicator. To set my under eyes as well as my smile lines, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines. To set my entire makeup, I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Pressed Powder in the shade 100 Translucent. I'm going to finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes using my Jordana Eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. And I'm taking Bad Guy again from the palette and I'm just smoking out my entire lower lash line. And from the same palette, I'm taking Maybe Later and I'm just applying it on the border of the previous shade just to make everything look put together. I'm taking Not Okay and I'm just applying it on the border of the previous shade. I'm just imitating my eyelid here. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my OFRA Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter. Now I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara. And for falsies, I'm going with this Ardell lashes in this style 857. And these lashes are really good. This style, I love this style, and they are really easy to apply. You can totally see. And here is the final eye look. I loved the way how it turned out. It is so easy to recreate and it is perfect for all those red sarees, golden sarees or all those yellow sarees. This look is really perfect. For my face, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Duo Face Sculpt with an angled brush and I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face like the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, jawline as well as my nose. I love this stuff for contouring my face. It is not too warm toned, not too cool toned. It is a perfect shade for contouring for my skin tone. I'm taking this NARS bronzer in the shade Casino and I'm just bronzing up my face even more, and for that I'm using this brush from Equate. For my blush, I'm going with this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink and I'm just applying it on my cheeks using this blush brush from Flower Beauty. It is such a beautiful coral pink color. I'm taking the same Rodeo Drive highlighter from OFRA and I'm just hitting the high points of my face with this brush from Do Care, and you know that drill, right? Like my cheekbones, apples of my cheeks, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, also the sides of my forehead. To set my entire makeup, I'm going with this Maybelline Master Fix makeup setting spray and I'm just setting my entire makeup. For my lips, I am going with this Maybelline SuperStay lipstick and I think the shade is Groundbreaker. I will mention it in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. It is such a stunning reddish orange color. I'll just love it. And here is the final look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. I think this look is perfect for all your traditional outfits, for all your sarees, especially for your warm toned sarees. You can definitely wear this look to any wedding, to halud ceremony, to sangeet ceremony, to engagement ceremony, anywhere you like. This look is just perfect. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out and see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care and be safe.